Take a ride, or 2, or 3 with the new Mini Rear Bike Carrier Pro 3.0. Available for 2 or 3 bikes. Let's mount them. Unfold the bike carrier, unlock the clamping lever and swing it up into vertical position. Make sure the ball head is clean. Lift the bike carrier and push the support horizontally over the ball head. Is the carrier parallel to the bumper? Great! Lock the lever and remove the key. Connect the socket and lock it in clockwise. Check all the lights on the bike carrier before your journey. Also, attach the third license plate depending on your country. Mount the first 2 bikes starting from the back, as shown in our other how-to video. If you have a third bike, attach it to the second one. To access your trunk, fix the load with both hands and stand with the foot on the lever to prevent any kind of damage. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your Mini.